So that last video, Kelly was having a little bit of difficulties with her burps. They weren't normal, but they're back to normal now. And I don't know what she's doing. Kelly, come on.
Okay, hold on.
There's Megan playing with the eye touch.
Hi.
Your boy. Hi. Hi.
Ew, hold on. Warm up. Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Mess with that, boys. I don't think so.
With the Z.
Yeah, this is snap in the Z formation.
Guys had assembly today. He was like, "No, you girls," and I was like, "Oh no."
Okay, do another burp.
Hold on. Hold on. Ew, look at this girl.
Ew. Her body's a little bit disproportioned.
What girl? She's gone. I'll do it. Yes, come on.
You should like go underneath the counter and like pop up as you're burping.
Weebers.
This is what sisters do.
Stop it! Get away!
But they always reunite at the end.
That's what happens when you weigh as much as an elephant! I don't think that one. Hold on.
There's the other sister who's annoyed because she's trying to watch Disney Channel.
No, it like went in my throat and it like made me gag. What was that?
I don't know.